Show everyone how we make a boat, Harry.
Let's do it faster.
Alright, let's do it right.
Yeah. You build with me?
Mm-hmm. Push him down. Good job.
It's your turn. It's your turn.
My turn?
Yeah.
Okay. Put that on. It's your turn.
It's your turn.
My turn? Okay, we'll put that on here. Look at that. It's your turn.
Alright. Your turn.
My turn? Alright, well, I'll put on the same piece over on this side. Look at that. Your turn.
Your turn.
My turn? Okay. Your turn. My turn?
Your turn.
Your turn.
Your turn.
My turn. Alright. Now I'll put the mast on. Look at that. It's a boat.
And let's do this silly clown.
No, you have to, let's put the people on. Grandma, we're going to put Grandma on. Good
Your
job.
turn.
My turn? Alright, we'll put... Who's going to go next?
That's what we do.
Okay.
Your turn.
My turn? Alright, he goes next. By the picture, he goes next. Okay. Look at that. He's like, what about me? I can't ride. I want to ride. I want to ride. What about me? What about me?
You can ride.
I want to ride. I want to ride.
Hey, you can ride for it's done. Done.
Look at it. Okay, now watch this, Harry. See? If we take one, and let's move her back. Alright, you see how it's balanced now? It's level. Let's take off him, and look, boom. See, because there's more weight over here, it falls to the left. But if we put him back on, now it's all even again. Let's take him off, because he doesn't want to stay on anyways. And see, it's a little slightly to the right. So, but if we put him back on, it's even again. What about me? My turn. I want to play. I want to play.
Oops. Oopsie daisy.
Oopsie daisy.
Oops.
Oh, that's good job. Take your time. Use both hands. There you
You do like this
go.
and balance.
Well, it's not balanced. See, it leans to the left.
Lean to the
Or to your friends, it leans to the right. Because they're on the opposite side.
You
And so you put that on. See? And now it's balanced.
And you take him off. You don't want to stay on. It goes to the left.
Yep, they're a little bit. Yep, see? Just a little bit to the right.
You take this one off.
And now it's balanced. It's even.
And you take this one off.
And look, see how it falls to the right? Because he weighs more, so it leans that way.
And you put this one on.
Put that one on, and now it's pretty balanced. Pretty close to balanced.
And you put 3 on and balance. And
Well, which way is it leaning?
lean it to the little bit like that.
Yeah, it's leaning a little bit like that. Yep.
And you put him, you put
No,
her
let's
on.
move Granny back so you have room for her. And now it's balanced.
And you put him on
Oh,
top.
let's put him on this side.
You put him on this side.
And see, now it's because he weighs more, so he pushes this side down. Now, if we move him over to this side, look, now it all tilts to this side now. Yep, all because of weight. Now, let it go. Now it's going to even up. Now it's even. See that?